Flying Ryanair includes bed seats and expensive warm gin and tonic in plastic cups. But if you want to fly cheap, it can still be a good idea. In this video, I will let you know how to survive. My name is Magnus. I'm a frequent traveler who loves the travel experience. My reviews are self-funded and based on my honest opinion. I created this channel to help you have amazing journeys on your own, and I hope you will find this episode helpful. Now, cheers to a great travel experience. The journey is on. Hey everyone and welcome back. Our journey begins at Gothenburg Airport, the second largest airport in Sweden. As I only had hand luggage, I skipped the long lines to check in, which can be quite extreme here when flying Ryanair. My first recommendation is to travel light. Additionally, I purchased the fast track option on Ryanair's website while booking my flight. It's a great option if you prefer a hassle-free experience. While waiting for my flight, I explored the shops and tax-free area at Gothenburg Airport. There's a wide variety of stores where you can shop for last-minute souvenirs or grab any essentials you might need for your trip. It's always good to have some time to browse around. Did you know that even when flying Ryanair or any other airline, you can still access the airport lounge if you have a priority pass? The priority pass is often included with many credit cards, like my Amex Platinum card, which offers numerous advantages when traveling. If you are from Sweden and want to know more about this card, check out the description below. By using my invitation, you can also earn points for flights and hotels. It's a fantastic deal. If you don't have a priority pass, don't worry. Gothenburg Airport has plenty of fantastic restaurant options. I recommend grabbing a bite to eat before boarding because the food on the plane can be of lower quality. No one wants to be hungry during the flight, right? Finally, it's time to board a plane. Here's the aircraft that will take us to London. As I take my seat, I can't help to notice that Ryanair has placed the safety instructions and in-flight menu on the back of the seat, rather than in a pocket. It's a small but convenient detail.
In a cabin looks after today, in charge of Federica, along with Mohammed, Bernard and Camila. We're nearly ready to go now. Once we close the doors, Federica and the team will be doing a safety demonstration, so please pay attention to this. This is pretty safety important flight. Flight time today about 1 hour 35 minutes. We're cruising at 38,000 feet. Honor weather's looking good. London Stansted weather. A little bit cooler than here, but cloudy skies as well. Temperature there was last reported at 14 degrees Celsius. We've taken up to the south.
We push back from the gate and make our way to the runway. must admit, flights with Ryanair aren't always the most enjoyable, primarily due to the uncomfortable seats and cramped legroom. That's why I always bring something to keep myself occupied during the flight. Watching a movie or listening to a podcast, or a few activities I recommend. While in the mood for a drink, I ordered a gin and tonic. However, the experience wasn't as exciting as I hoped. The drink was served in a plastic cup and without ice. Nevertheless, it's essential to keep in mind that my reviews are self-funded and unbiased, and I appreciate your support by liking and subscribing. One thing I noticed on flights like this is the increased noise level compared to flights with more business-oriented passengers. That's why I highly recommend bringing noise-cancelling headphones. They help create a more serene environment during the flight. As we approach Stansted, the landscape outside the window transforms into a beautiful, lush landscape. After a smooth descent, we touched down at Stansted Airport, our destination in London. Overall, my experience with Ryanair on this flight had its ups and downs. While the airport facilities in Gothenburg were convenient, the flight itself had its limitations, such as uncomfortable seating and limited amenities. However, it's important to remember that every traveler's experience may vary. Before we wrap it up, I want to stress the importance of self-funded and unbiased reviews. As a traveler, it's crucial to share honest feedback to help others make informed decisions. I genuinely appreciate your support, whether it's through liking, subscribing, or sharing this video. Be sure to join me next weekend when I review another exciting traveling experience from Hilton Prague.